Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Let's go over Seejanedrill's YouTube channel. He currently has 407,039 subscribers. Total amount of views is 88,652,764. Now let's do some math and calculate how much money this channel has earned throughout their whole YouTube career. So 88,652,764 multiplied by 0.004 and you get $354,611. Now, of course, with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So you have to take $354,611 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $195,036. Daily subs is currently 489, and monthly subs is at 14,664. Daily revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So daily views is currently 90,000. Monetized playback is 80% of your daily views. So 80% of 90,000 is 72,000. And basically I chose 80% because not all views are monetized. And the monetized playback is just whenever you see ads on a video, then you know that the view is monetized. And people that use ad blocker, they don't see ads on the video, so that means that the view is not monetized. CPM is $4. So the daily income is the monetized playback multiplied by the CPM. So 72,000 multiplied by 0.004 and you get $288. Monthly income is $288 multiplied by 30 and you get $8,640. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So the revenue is $8,640 multiplied by 12 and you get $103,680. YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%. And this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $103,680 multiplied by 0.55 and you get $57,024 per year just from YouTube ad revenue alone, which is very, very impressive if you don't mind me saying. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber you want me to do next.